Hola y bonjour a todos. I really have to get something off my chest. I have been learning French and Spanish at the same time for about 1 year and 9 months now, and guess what? It is still so hard to do. And this is very surprising because I would think that after all this time just going through the process of learning two languages at the same time, developing good habits, understanding how to manage my life with these two languages, it would be very easy. As you may know, learning a new language takes a lot of time, and I would say balancing my time is incredibly hard for me to do with both of these languages, especially when your life is always changing and there's always things popping up. I always struggle with how much time I should be dedicating to both languages. Every single week is not the same. Every single day is not the same either. So how much time that I'm distributing to each language is going to change. Outside of language learning, I have to work out, cook, I have to spend time with friends and spend time with family. So I'm sure, as you know, this can be quite challenging to balance all of these things. It's also a challenge to balance my time in between both of these languages because I'm at a different level for each one. So with Spanish, I would say I am fluent, but with French, I am a complete beginner. So I know there's always a very, very big learning curve at the beginning when you are learning a new language. As well, it's a lot more difficult to remember new words and remember new phrases. And there's just a lot more review that I have to do. But with Spanish, I don't have to do that much review. Actually, I would say when I'm trying to learn new vocabulary words, I can usually remember them just by hearing them once or twice now, depending on what that word or phrase may be. On the other hand, I'm also just trying to maintain my Spanish skills because I know that if I'm not dedicating enough time to Spanish, then my skills can actually decrease. So this is where the battle with time continues. I need to invest a lot of time with French because there's such a big learning curve. I have so much to learn. I'm not fluent yet. I'm not even really having long conversations in French yet. So I need to put a lot of time into vocab acquisition and listening to a lot of content in French as much as possible throughout the day. But at the same time with Spanish, I still need to invest a lot of time into listening to content in Spanish and speaking as much as possible with native Spanish speakers so I can maintain those skills as well, but also to become more of an advanced Spanish learner. So honestly, I don't have a specific amount of hours or minutes that I should be dedicating to both of these languages to reach these goals. I just try to do a little bit in both languages every single day. Another big reason why learning two languages at the same time is incredibly hard for me is because of lack of discipline and lack of motivation. Now, I really laugh at this because I thought I solved this problem with my Spanish learning journey. Because, of course, with Spanish, it was very easy, it was very fun for me to do. I didn't really have to push myself anymore. But trying to learn French and Spanish, the amount of discipline required and amount of motivation required is a lot higher than I could have ever imagined. I'm very passionate about learning Spanish. I can do it every single day and all day long if I really could. But now with French, I do like it, but I'm not necessarily very passionate about it per se, but I just like the process of learning it. So that's how my motivation can be very low some days. And I think just because with Spanish, I use it all the time. There's always Spanish speakers around me throughout the week. So I think that is another big reason why it's hard for me to stay motivated because there are many benefits, but I would say not as many benefits as to learning Spanish right at this moment where I live. I should mention just how immersed I am into Latino culture. So for example, right now I dance to bachata, salsa, cumbia, and those types of dances. So now Latino culture is a big part of my life. Now this is where my discipline can lack a lot for French because it's hard to turn off bachata music, salsa, and stop dancing and then start working on my vocabulary and trying to increase that with French or to practice speaking French when I'm so focused in my life with Spanish. I hope you can connect and learn a few things from this rant of mine, because I have learned a lot throughout this process of learning two languages at the same time and underestimating how hard that it was actually going to be. Comment below and share what you find hard about learning two languages at the same time. Also, if you like the content that I make and you would like to support my channel more, become a member of this channel, and the details are linked below in the description box. Now watch this next video.